Alright guys, welcome back. Because it's another exciting video of Master Designs. In this video, we're going to draw Bashmouth from Ben 10, the reboot. So, anyways, I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these, but ever since Bootleg, I thought it would be a good idea to draw him. Anyways, Bashmouth is one of the Antitrix's aliens, and to sum it all off, he is the 11th alien of the Antitrix, unless you count Humongoraptor, which is number 12. Anyways, he has the powers of, I think, Ben Wolf, or I think his name is Blitzwolfer. But anyways, he is dog-like. I still think this is one of Kevin's strongest aliens. If you ask me, this is actually one of my favorite Antitrix aliens. There we go. So when drawing Bashmouth, you must draw the inside of his mouth, like his teeth. There. There we go, there's his head. He's starting to look like an actual werewolf. Alexa, what is a wolf?
The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus have been recognized, and gray wolves, as colloquially understood, comprise non-domestic/feral subspecies. The wolf is the largest extant member of the family Canidae, males averaging 40 kilograms and females 37 kilograms.
Okay. Now we just draw the Antitrix mark on his chest, besides all that hair. Alexa, play Bad Day.
Bad Day by Daniel Powder on Amazon Music.
It's not really lost. You want to know why I'm playing this song? Because some of my prints got destroyed during the rain. I can't even set it on anything wet. Even on my rags. Now we just draw the shoulder pad here. This song also reminds me of the Wonder Pets. These are his knuckle fists. His hairy knuckle fists. Because he's ready to bash you in the mouth. Well, not exactly. Dogs are really positive and kind. They would never hurt a fly. Alexa, what is a dire wolf?
According to Wikipedia, the dire wolf is an extinct canine. It is one of the most famous prehistoric carnivores in North America, along with its extinct competitor Smilodon. The dire wolf lived in the Americas and Eastern Asia during the late Pleistocene and early Holocene epochs. The species was named in 1858, 4 years after the first specimen had been found.
Okay. Now we just draw his other leg here, his paw. There we go. There's his foot. And lastly, we have to draw the other knuckle. One thing I don't get, though, how come every time when I put in the gold SD card, I only do characters that are red? That doesn't make any sense, but maybe it does. I got a lot of characters coming up. I got Rykon, Narwhale, Hinazal, McCracken, and lots more. And there we go. Also, there's Shadow Side. Cool. Anyways, that is how you draw Bashmouth. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below on what character you guys want me to draw next. I take requests, you guys. Anyways, that's how you draw him, and I'll see you guys again soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.